Hey everyone, this is Big Bertha. It's my 25-foot land roller. It folds out on turntable, wheels pick up, and then hydraulically pulls out around. Cover ground pretty quick. The roller's made of 3/8 thick steel and then capped. She's rugged. She'll drive rocks down, and then you pull it down the road lengthwise. But yeah, so I'm just out here gonna drive down some rocks and stuff, see if we can get her finished up. It's all seated and stuff there now, so you know. So let's see if we can get it unfolded. Like that. It won't take long. It'll roll down pretty fast. Yeah, I got a remote or something we can. That wheel keeps dropping. I gotta find some sort of locking way of locking them up. That's her. That's a pain. Yeah, I got locks to hold it up, but it stays up fine. For some reason, it's dropping down. Oh, that's gonna be a pain. But anyways, no big deal. Keep an eye on it. Might come out of it. Never noticed it ever before, so yeah. Oh, just a matter of flattening her down, beat the rocks all down. So that's it. Yeah, you can cover ground pretty fast with that, and it does a nice job beating the rocks down once you get a little momentum going. So anyhow, we'll talk at you later.